What if I told you that for less than the price of a used luxury SUV in the US, you could be driving a full-size Chinese flagship that hits 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 3.1 seconds, packs a 3-row seating layout, advanced tech that puts legacy brands on notice, and still leaves plenty of room in the budget to take your family on vacation? Sounds like a wild dream? Well, strap in because this beast is real, the Zeer 9X. Right out of the gate, the Zeer 9X isn't just another EV or hybrid. It's a 6-seat, 3-row, full-size luxury SUV from Chinese brand Zeer with specs that read like they've been pulled from a supercar. We're talking up to 1,030 kilowatts of system output. That's well over 1,300 horsepower equivalent, and a combined range that's reportedly over 1,200 kilometers. Yes, I said well over 1,300 horsepower for a family SUV from China. Jealous yet? So you're thinking, okay, cool specs, but what's it look like? Is this just hype? Excellent question. Let's break down the styling, and you'll see why this thing screams premium global contender, not just budget China special. From the front, the Zeer 9X hits you with presence, a wide, slightly aggressive stance. The length is 5,239 millimeters, and the width up to 2,229 millimeters, depending on spec. The hood flows down into a sculpted grille area. Though being a peach EV, it's less of a traditional grille and more of a stylized intake, plus aerodynamic finish. Headlights are sleek, laser type, or at least styled like it. LED units with sharp lines, giving it a face you'll remember. The bumper has bold air intakes and strong lower treatment. The front reminds me a little of a full-size German SUV, like the BMW X7, but with more futuristic flair. On the flanks, the Zeer 9X proportions are dramatic. You got a 3,169 millimeters wheelbase. Massive tires fill the arches nicely. There's flair in the wheel arches, and the body lines sweep back elegantly, giving it almost a coupe SUV drama. Door handles appear flush in some photos. The windows taper slightly towards the rear, giving it a dynamic posture. The side mirrors, window trim, and chrome black contrast all feel premium. If you park this next to a Mercedes-Benz GLS, you might not think it's half the cost. At the back, the Zeer 9X finishes strong. The taillights span wide, giving the rear a broad, confident look. The bumper is substantial with diffuser elements, and the overall rear design balances strength and elegance. The tailgate is large and practical. Okay, this is where the Zeer 9X takes it into wild territory. It is not a standard internal combustion engine vehicle. It's a plug-in hybrid system combining a turbocharged 2.0L 4-cylinder engine with multiple electric motors. The petrol engine produces around 275 horsepower. Electric motors, a 290 kilowatts front unit and 2 rear motors around 377 kilowatts each. Combined output up to 1,030 kilowatts, over 1,300 horsepower equivalent, and range reportedly above 1,200 kilometers. If you thought the exterior was wild, get ready for the interior. It's a 6-seat SUV with 2 captain's chairs in the second row. Some models have zero-gravity recline modes with footrests. Premium touches everywhere. Headrests with speakers, multi-zone climate control, ambient lighting, real leather or top-grade vegan leather, metal or wood inlays. This is flagship luxury, not a budget EV cabin. The dashboard is dominated by huge screens. Reports mention a 17-inch OLED main display. The digital cluster is clean and futuristic with minimal physical buttons. There's a powerful infotainment system and high-end audio setups reportedly up to 3,800 watts. And it's not just for show. 900V architecture, fast charging, vehicle-to-load and vehicle-to-vehicle support in some versions, air suspension with wide height adjustment, active anti-roll bars, and adaptive damping. The ride aims to feel more like a limo than a crossover. Rear seat amenities include footrests, independent climate zones, a huge sunroof, sliding mechanisms for easier third-row access, and meaningful third-row space for adults. Storage is plentiful with large consoles, hidden compartments, and multiple USB-C ports. Size matters for families. Length 5,239 millimeters, width up to 2,229 millimeters, height around 1,819 millimeters, wheelbase 3,169 millimeters. 6 seats in a 2+2+2 layout. Big cargo area with folding seats, wide loading space, and excellent practicality. In China, pricing ranges from about $63,910 to $84,280 depending on trim. That's significantly less than full-size German luxury SUVs in the US, while offering flagship tech, hybrid performance, and 3-row space. Now ask yourself, would you pick similar-priced Western SUVs like the Audi Q7 or Volvo XC90, or a model like the Zeer 9X with more tech, more space, and supercar-level performance figures?